give you a little tour of this whole thing right here. Trash cans and stuff. Down here is where they keep some checked luggage, and this is where we boarded. We're in a tunnel right now, so like, yeah. And then these are the bathrooms. They're fucking ratchet. Like, they're really gnarly. They're basically like a glorified RV bathroom. Yeah, so ooh, wow, that's pretty. That's pretty. So this is the lower level. This is the lower level, and then these upper levels up here, because the cars are 2 levels. So like, this is all coach. I'm riding coach. I guess there's sleeper cars too. So I didn't get one of those because I think they're hella expensive. But there's a dining car lounge this way. Oh man, people are stacked out in this car, man. It's really just like a huge version of the Sounder train. Oh, pardon me. So then the doors just open automatically. Ugh. And they do the last call for the lunch and the dinner, and I haven't gone to the diner because I don't have that kind of Skrilla, but I bought a sandwich and a beer in the little cafe they have, and it cost me $20. So, as with anything like this, buying food in a situation like this is a ripoff. So this is like observation car. Oh, that's actually a sick ass view. Wow. Wow, this is so Star Trek. Oh wow. That looks like a bar. So sick. Wow. Gnarly. Anyways, so snacks and beverages are downstairs. So like downstairs, down here's the cafe. Kinda cool. Oh, how about a shot? Oh, I love that song. So anyways, yeah, that's the whole digs. And yeah, it's hella dated, but it's sick, and I can't wait to get off this bloody train, man. But you know,